Hello everybody. Cold day out at the range, and I have with me my Zastava revolver. It is a M83/84 Zastava, and before anybody gets crazy, it is unloaded. I am pointing it wherever I want to. There's nobody here. Outdoor range. I've had people comment in my videos before, complaining that my gun handling isn't up to par, and I never point a gun in any direction but downrange unless it's unloaded, and I can verify that. Yeah, it's a good practice to keep your guns pointed downrange always. I will say that. But when I'm doing videos and I'm trying to show this gun on video, this is what I have to do. Okay, that being said, I am shooting 38 special today. And again, this is a 357, so it'll shoot 357 or it'll shoot 38 special. I have some Winchester Full Metal Jacket target practice rounds, and I'm just gonna drop these in here. Full Metal Jacket. I don't have my shooting glasses on. May have to switch to my shooting glasses. Have to see what the sight picture is like for me. And now then, I bought this gun quite a while ago. I had it it's been at the gunsmith up until today. Trigger pull on this was really heavy, and I had him work on that, and he cleaned it up and worked on the trigger pull a little bit. So that's been taken care of. Now I want to switch to my shooting glasses. I also have another camera set up here, so I can do a dual video while I am shooting. So I'm going to start that camera. I think I'm going to start that camera. I don't know if the remote works on this or not. Supposed to work. There it goes. It clicked. Okay. So now we're ready to shoot. I'm cocking it back. I can just pull the trigger and it'll shoot. I got to figure out how to hold this. Probably back here. There's one. Wow, that is a very light. Oh, that first one went off pretty quick. I can't see this, too dark. Ooh, those are all over the place. Could be I'm flinching. That first one was on the target. The rest of them are not. And, yeah. So, just drop them out. Okay. I don't know how much of that was on camera. Probably the gun going off was not on camera that time. So let me load some more and try and get it on camera. I can't see if it's on camera or not. It's not showing me if it is. Okay, close it up. Now this is a double action, single action gun. I cannot see. I'm going to aim lower. Okay, that should have been 6. Yeah, it shoots a little better when I can see what I'm shooting at. Okay. So, again, it's got a heavy trigger pull on it. And should just be able to knock these out. Yeah. Okay. Come on out of there. Oh, I guess you can just go like that. Duh. I don't know why I'm doing what I'm doing. It's just like that. Not used to wheel guns. So I aimed at 6 o'clock on that last shot. 6. The first ones I was aiming at the bullseye. I could not see the bullseye because of the target is dark and my sights are dark. Yeah, there's no white paint or anything on these sights, so yeah, I couldn't see. Okay. Alright. Try a little better hold here. And I'm going to aim at 6 o'clock again, right at the bottom of the target. Now if you look, my trigger's way back here. I don't know what that's all about. I'm supposed to do that? Nope. It didn't reset because the chamber, it wasn't lined up. Okay. I don't know if you can see this or not. Alright. So, yeah, that's interesting. Slide open, and they all come out.